Mark Schumann from Schumann Legal. We are at Westtown Bikes in Chicago, speaking with Eli Faber, head technician, about bicycle safety. Welcome back, Eli.
Thanks.
So today we're going to talk about safety equipment. What do you recommend between horns or bells on a bicycle?
Well, personally, I just use my voice since I don't want to put anything else on my handlebars to add any extra weight. But if you don't want to use your voice, there are some loud things that don't hurt to put on your bike. A bell is a good idea, but horns usually get a little louder.
Nice. What about mirrors? Do you think that mirrors make it safer or riskier for bike riders?
I personally think mirrors are a little bit distracting. They also stick out a little bit so they can get bumped around by things. I found that a quick glance over the shoulder is usually sufficient enough for a cyclist to tell what's behind them.
And if you have a toddler, what is the safest way to take a toddler for a bike ride?
Well, if you want to ride with your toddler on your own bike, lots of good seats are available on the market to put a toddler seat on the back of your bike. However, if you want to ride next to your toddler, I'd probably recommend buying a toddler bike and finding a nice area like a quiet bike trail, somewhere that's conducive to riding with kids.
What about a helmet for the toddler?
I do think toddlers should wear helmets.
Thank you as always.